Hi friends, so today I will discuss about the IP validation using regex. Earlier we have seen the IP validation only with regex, but interviewer asked they need a result into boolean value. Result, the interviewer want result into boolean. So that's why I have used their bool function. But here I will not use any bool function. Simply I will validate the IP address. Uh, okay. So I will show you. First I am putting debugger here and will execute the code and will run it and will show you how it is happening. So here we have wrote the regex for this one. Then I have taken IP. IP is 198.162.9 and 0. Okay, so this IP will call the function. Okay, validate IP. Once it came here, validate IP, and the argument will be IP. They pass that IP here, and next step is pattern, and now it's recognizing the pattern. What is the pattern? Okay, then once it's recognized, then it will come byte here that recognize pattern and IP here. So it will search. So whatever IP we are searching, that IP in that pattern is representing or not. Means whatever uh, regex we have wrote, that regex is finding same IP or not. Okay, so we'll go move next, and this come the next re dot search, and this got it and will return the IP. So it is valid IP. Okay, so here one more thing, here it is showing none, valid IP none. Why it is showing none? Because I have printed here the function with argument, that's why it is returning the none. So here what we'll do, I am commenting here and I will call this one, I will run it and check. See, now it is valid IP. Okay, so like that we can check the IP validations. Okay, but interviewer can ask both way, either they want return true or false, or simply they want the message it's valid or not. Okay, let's I am changing the IP, so I will put -9 and I will run it, will check it's working or not. Yeah, absolutely. It's not great. That means the pattern was nose match with the whatever regex we have wrote. Okay, so this is not valid IP. Okay, I will check with 255 once. 255. Yeah, valid IP, but it is a broadcast. So once it will use the 255, 255, 255, 255, that will the broadcast. Okay, in one interview they told me enter 0.0.0.0. This one. So this is also valid IP. Okay, and and they will ask to enter 255 dot 255 dot 255 dot 255. Okay, this should be also valid IP. Yeah, it is valid IP. Okay, now they will edit here 56. It should not be valid IP, right? It should not be valid, not valid IP. So code is correct, and this way we can write the code for interviewers, and we will get the good answer. We will get the good answers and good response. Okay, so okay. Thank you for watching.